They've only just rolled out of restrictions in Scotland's nightclubs. The vaccine passport route isn't one they wanted to take. Not at Glasgow's Garage nightclub. Not at short notice.
I've got over 100 staff. I've just managed to get back open. We've been trying really hard to keep these people employed for well over a year now. Furlough's helped us with that. We've done deals with our landlords, deals with our suppliers, and now we're going to have to go back and redo these deals and look for more kindness just to get us out of this hole.
In the past week, cases in Scotland have risen by 80%. Nicola Sturgeon described the situation as fragile and serious and said the rate of increase was extremely concerning. On reintroducing restrictions, she said her government didn't want to, but the next few days would be crucial in its assessment of whether or not it should. Her COVID secretary had once called vaccine passports the wrong way to go. Not anymore, it seems, for nightclubs and events.
They are not essential services, and the nature of them, which involves bringing many people together in relatively small areas, does mean that despite their very best efforts, and I know they make their best efforts, they can continue to contribute significantly to the spread of the virus.
This parliamentary session heard from the Conservative opposition leader, complete with curious farmyard sounds in the background.
Just a month ago, John Swinney, her Cabinet Secretary for COVID recovery, said this was the wrong way to handle it. So can I ask the First Minister, what's changed in the last month from what John Swinney said then to her announcement today?
Douglas Ross later revealed on Twitter that one of his hens had been behind the parliamentary point of disorder. Schools are already back in Scotland, and that has been pinpointed as a factor in the rise of infection rates. So too is the transmissible nature of the Delta variant and the increased gathering of people generally following the lifting of restrictions. At Glasgow's John Paul Academy, they've learned the practical lesson of taking precautions.
We have our masks on to move around the buildings, and when we're in our classes, okay, we have our, our windows open and our doors open. So things are different, But at the end of our lessons, our young people are cleaning their desks and washing their hands, That's just what happens now.
Can I have one of them? Yeah.
Scotland's infection figures prompted a renewed appeal from its First Minister to the public to adhere to health guidance. Doing the maths underlines the importance of doing the right thing. James Matthews, Sky News, Glasgow.